Okay, we are going to begin the session है त गुड आफ्टरनुन सबैजनालाई मेरो आवाज आइरहेछ नि है
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
आइरहेको छ
ल ठिकै छ वेलकम टु दि ओरिएन्टेसन सेसन अब इफ लास्ट टाइम चाहिँ हामीले ओरिएन्टेसन गर्दाखेरि कलेजमै फिजिकली नै बसेर गरेको थियौँ अब सिन्स कोभिडले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ फर नाउ वी आर होस्टिङ दि ओरिएन्टेसन सेसन वाया अनलाइन होइन हेरल्ड डेभ कर्प्सको बारेमा भन्नु पर्दाखेरि त आइम स्योर तिमीहरूले आफ्नै तिमीहरूकै ओरिएन्टेसन हुँदाखेरि पनि त्यतिखेर पनि मैले आएर अलिकति एक्सप्लेन त गरेको थियौँ त्यसभित्र वी हेभ 3 डिफ्रेन्ट सेक्टर्स एउटा चाहिँ हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट कम्युनिटिजहरू हुन्छ अर्को भनेको चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट इन्स्टिट्युट्सहरूसँग हामी कोलाबोरेसन गरेर ट्रेनिङहरू लिइरहेको हुन्छ अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ वी आर कोलाबोरेटिङ विथ फ्युज मसिन भनेर अनि त्यो बाहेक अर्को भनेको चाहिँ आरएनडी रिसर्चको पनि हामीले स्टार्ट गर्न लाग्छौँ भनेको थियौँ अनि आजको लागि चाहिँ वी आर गोइङ टु मेनली फोकस अन दि स्टुडेन्ट कम्युनिटिज है करेन्टली विथ अस वी हेभ 5 डिफ्रेन्ट कम्युनिटिज के छ भने चाहिँ एआई लर्नर्स कम्युनिटी छ त्यसपछि क्रिएटर्स कम्युनिटी गेम डेभ हिरोज र युआई भिजुअल्स भनेर चाहिँ 4वटा कम्युनिटी छ र हामीसँग रिसेन्टली फर्म भएको बिजनेस कम्युनिटी चाहिँ हेरल्ड बिजकोर भनेर टोटलमा वी हेभ 5 डिफ्रेन्ट कम्युनिटिज अब इच कम्युनिटीहरूभित्र के फङ्सन्स हुन्छ उनीहरूले के गर्छ इफ यु जोइन द कम्युनिटिज वाट क्यान यु बेनिफिट फ्रम देम यो सबै कुरा चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ इच कम्युनिटीको एकजना लिडरले नै भनेको तिमीहरूकै सिनियर्सहरू हुन्छ उहाँहरूले नै एक्सप्लेन गर्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि विल मुभ अन फरवर्ड है त सो रिप्रेजेन्टिङ दि क्रिएटर्स क्रिएटर्स एआई लर्नर्स कम्युनिटी चाहिँ आजको लागि वी हेभ प्रकृति रेग्मी फ्रम क्रिएटर्स कम्युनिटी वी हेभ अनिशा खड्का हेरल्ड बिजकोरबाट चाहिँ अदिति पोखरेलले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दैछ गेम डेप्स हिरोजबाट निरज गौतम र लास्ट एन्ड नट द लिस्ट हाम्रो युआई भिजुअल्स कम्युनिटीबाट चाहिँ पावना श्रेष्ठले लिड गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ आजको लागि चाहिँ सो आई वुड लाइक टु पास अन द सेसन टु एआई लर्नर्स कम्युनिटी है प्रकृति यु क्यान बिगिन
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for the space. I'd like to present my screen, Suluma. I guess my screen is visible, right?
It is visible.
Okay. So first of all, hello and good afternoon, everyone. I am Prakriti Regmi and I'll be starting my level 6 from the coming semester. And my prime agenda for today is to let you guys know what we, the AI learners, are and what we do as a community. Right? So before moving into that introductory part, I'd like to begin with a brief history about how the community was first built. For that, I'd like to show you some very important faces whom we, the team, regard as the building blocks and also people who were able to build a very strong foundation for the community. Right? They are our alumni members. Many of you might know them as your GTAs or mentors. So the story is that these like-minded people, they came together in the year 2019 and started out with an ambition. They're the people that I've been learning from and also the ones I look up to. Right? Now, talking about the current members, we have got these bright faces. They are my friends with whom I've had the pleasure to work as a team so far. Right? Again, I mentioned that our alumni members, they started out with an ambition. त्यो पर्पस के थियो इट्स प्रिटी मच एभिडेन्ट फ्रम हाम्रो कम्युनिटीको नाम itself नै their ultimate aim as AI learners was to learn artificial intelligence and also help others do the same. So they've been working with this vision, and we, the current members, have been following their footsteps. The mission statement we abide to is that we aim to collectively encourage and aspire students on the subject of artificial intelligence by learning together and sharing what we know through a common platform. र यही मोटोलाई लिएर there is a set of objective that we look up to every day as a community, and that includes sharing what we know through our social media handles, namely Facebook group. Recently, हामीले Instagram page पनि start गरेको छौँ है. And along with this, we have also been hosting events on subject that will help one prosper in regards to artificial intelligence. र युसअप गर्नुको कारण is to help you students identify your interest no matter the degree of knowledge you share today, such that it's easier for you to find ways to implement and contribute. And all of this is to make an impact. And I would also like to mention that it is with these objectives that my team has been able to successfully deliver multiple projects as of today. Namely mentioned गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ we have hosted FYP demonstration event for 3 consecutive years now, and recently before the March of 2021. I wouldn't say when things were back to normal, but definitely when things were less severe. त्यति बेला चाहिँ we hosted an API session for the then level 6 students है र लगत्तै त्यसपछि पनि we hosted another virtual event entitled containerization with Docker. र 2020 मै पनि एउटा virtual discussion session entitled Introduction to Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence पनि हाम्रो टिमले होस्ट गरेको थियौँ र our community, the projects we deliver, it's not just hosting events but also developing stuff. Right? One of those projects is the Herald chatbot developed by AI Learners community. And alongside these projects, there are also some remarkable achievements our alumni leaders, namely Mr. Srizan Shrestha, Mr. Rukesh Shrestha, Ms. Srishti Shakya, and Mr. Probin Sapkota were able to achieve. So under Yantra Learning 8.0 open category organized by Robotics Association Nepal, on February 2020, they were able to win the Best Idea Award for the innovation they named Project Buffer Zone. है र यो प्रोजेक्टको बारेमा थोरै भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ they created a real-time object detection system and applied it on CCTV. They deployed those CCTV cameras on electric fences surrounding the buffer zone. Your overall project objective was to reduce energy consumption, eliminate human or wildlife injury. So yeah, for such a dedicated effort, they were able to bring home this honorable title and award. Right? And this practice of delivering projects, it's still on loop, and we've been working on many exciting ones like the Algo Talk, which is going to be a series of webinars where we will be learning about various ML algorithms. Right? Basically, we've got Herald Hackathon, which is going to be an exciting coding tournament filled with many in-between fun and informative segments. Women in Tech, which is going to be a big celebration of achievement and also an acknowledgement of the necessity of women in tech industry. Many more, because as I mentioned, it's a never-ending loop or an infinite loop that does not glitch the system but accelerates the overall performance. Okay? So yeah, me along with my team cannot wait to present all of these projects to you. Yeah, this was all about the community. Now I'd like to take some time to talk about my personal experience so far as a leader or as a member of Herald DevCops AI Learners community. I joined the community in around March of this year. I was an AI enthusiast. I was also somebody looking for the guidance. Now, being a part of this community has helped me find the right guidance. I am around people who are very motivated and are always sharing very handy materials. These are the kinds of materials I wouldn't have landed otherwise or come across otherwise. So I'm actually very grateful to the community for making my overall learning experience so much more better. The other thing is the enhancement I have seen in my interpersonal skills. Along with being a group of like-minded people, we are also a set of diverse individuals. So whenever somebody comes up with an idea, there's always a space to constructively criticize and analyze those opinions. This I feel like is this in overall has helped me develop my communication skills. Lastly, Chai, it is definitely because of the community and especially after having hosted multiple events with the team that I have come to realize the strength of togetherness and teamwork, which is undeniably supreme. सो यदि मैले चाहिँ मेरो ओभरअल एक्सपिरियन्सलाई एउटा वर्डमा समेट्ने हो भने चाहिँ आई वुड डेफिनेटली गो विथ द वर्ड इनरिचिङ. And so, yeah, I'm really happy to be a part of AI Learners community. And yes, if you're somebody who's interested in AI, then do join us. Ramro, different social media handles are there. Do follow, do subscribe to them to stay tuned with the updates. Especially if you're somebody who is interested in AI, irrespective of the degree of knowledge you feel like you shared today, or even if you're somebody who has that will or determination to get started, then do fill up the registration form and let's meet. We would love to interact and get to know you better, teach you what we know, and also learn from you, right? So keep queries sabane, feel free to reach out to me or any of the community members, or even ping us at our email address. So yeah, we'll try reaching back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, that was all from my side. I would like to mention that you guys have been a phenomenal audience. Uh, I hope you guys are having a great time at Herald. सबै कुरा online भइरहेछ. I know it does get tedious sometimes, but you guys have been learning, and trust me, everything will be worth it at the end because knowledge is power. Thank you again from my side. र आजको इभेन्टलाई अघि बढाउँदै रहेर डेभअप्स कम्युनिटीको yet another interesting र innovative टिमको बारेमा भन्न I would like to invite in the representative of creators community, Miss Anisha Shrestha. So yeah, Anisha, over to you.
Thank you, Prakriti. I'll just share my screen first. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, देखिरहेछु.
Doctor, engineer, and pilot. Nepal's top 3 career of all time. One day, someone asked me, "What do you want to become in life?" I was very quick to answer, "I want to become a doctor." Someone who was afraid of blood, decided to be a doctor. And it was all because of the upbringings and the things that we were told since childhood. I even took the classes of the MBBS. And yes, I took those classes. And for the very first time in my life, I decided to do something for my own. I realized that I didn't want to be a doctor. I wanted to become something little shiny, which is entrepreneur. And that dream landed me to the premises of Herald. And this is where my journey of becoming an entrepreneur started. And with this, I remember a speech. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Jersey, I think everyone knows him. It is Martin Luther King. And just like him, I also have a dream. And similarly like that, one of the students of Herald also had a dream to do something a little more. A dream to share ideas without being judged, and a dream that came true as a platform. Creators community. We may not be a big community, but we have 11 individuals who believe that every dumb ideas matter. Everything that we have done till today was just a dumb idea. And with the spirit to execute every dumb ideas, we acted on our very first idea. It was Ignite. Ignite was an initiation where you and I can come together and share our ideas. And if someone liked those ideas, we can come together, collaborate, and work on it. With very high hopes, 7 ideas were shared. But unfortunately, none of them worked. We were so dumb that we thought we will question our own teachers. And to connect with them, we came up with a new idea, and it was Growth Project. And under Growth Project, we had our very own teacher, Ms. Kritika Tuladar, where she shared about her experience in FYP project. She shared about the problems she faced and how she overcome it. And I must say it was indeed a very happening event. Are you afraid that you can't feed the market? Just like you, we were also afraid. And this fear led us to a new idea. And we came up with connecting ourselves with the industries. And we initiated college industry bridging event. We connected with the aspiring IT professionals who are working in the industries to share their experience, and it really helped us to see things from the industrial level. And I repeat it again and again that everything, every event that we have done till today was just a dumb idea. Now, getting back to my story, my journey of becoming an entrepreneur is still a journey. My story may not be that inspiring to everyone, but if my story have made anyone believe that your ideas do matter, then I believe that I have done my part as a creators community. And after joining this community, I have learned that creators community is all about working on the dumb ideas and making it happen together. And I feel that my single step of joining this community was the right choice, and I don't regret it now. And for the upcoming events, we have decided to have podcast episodes, and we are also working on the Herald Brain that provides the portfolio for the average students who are in the Herald Courage. And if you do wish to connect with us, you can find us on Facebook, or you can simply email us. And if you have any ideas or any dumb ideas that you want to share with us, you can visit our website and you can form the ask for proposal form, and we will get back to you guys and we can work on it. So this is all about our community. And before leaving, I just have one last thing to say. We believe that your dumb ideas do matter. Share them with us. Thank you. Now, for the next, now from the Herald Beach Core community, I would like to call Miss Aditi Pokhrel. The floor is yours, Aditi.
Okay, thank you, Anisha. So first of all, let me just share my screen, and I would like to request if my screen is visible or not. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, so let me start with my presentation. So at first, hello everyone. Good afternoon to everybody present here. It's me, Aditi Pokhrel, a representative of Herald Peace Corps community. And we are the community with the tagline of Bring Your Vision to Action. So let me start my presentation with team introduction. So first of all, I would like to introduce you all to our advisory panels. हाम्रो advisory panels मा चाहिँ तीनजना एकदमै competent advisors हुनुहुन्छ जो चाहिँ सबैजनालाई नै थाहा छ कि लाइक तारा म्याम हुनुहुन्छ, जुनु म्याम हुनुहुन्छ, and lastly कृतिका म्याम as well है. At the same time हाम्रो तारा म्याम र जुनु म्याम चाहिँ हाम्रो अर्को एउटा कम्युनिटी छ TNE भन्ने, त्यसको पनि उहाँ चाहिँ टिम एडभाइजर्स पनि हुनुहुन्छ. र यो कम्युनिटीको बारेमा if necessary I would be explaining at the end of the presentation. Right? Now let me quickly introduce you all with our team members. So first of all, हाम्रो team leaders are say first is Priyaza. She is also supervising the finance section of our community. The second is myself. So we both are leading the community of Herald Peace Corps. अब हाम्रो ग्रुप चाहिँ लाइक डिफरेन्ट टिम्समा पनि डिभाइड भएको छ हैन. सो सर्टली आई विल जस्ट बी ब्रिफिङ यु. सो फर्स्ट अफ अल हाम्रो मार्केटिङ टिममा हुनुहुन्छ निशा गुरुङ, सृष्टि तन्दुकार र श्रेयाता अधिकारी. त्यसै गरी हाम्रो ग्राफिक टिममा हुनुहुन्छ प्रियांश बज्राचार्य एन्ड अनिशा खड्का. Similarly, we have our logistics team. र logistics टिममा चाहिँ हाम्रो क्याजरिन रञ्जित र सुरवी लुनिया एज अ मेम्बर हुनुहुन्छ हैन. And we have also our tech team जहाँ चाहिँ अञ्जल श्रेष्ठ and सुजन श्रेष्ठ are the members. Likewise, we have the reporting team. र members चाहिँ सिमरन कार्की and सेजल साक्य. Last but not the least, हाम्रो इभेन्ट कोअर्डिनेटर चाहिँ सनी श्रेष्ठ र रेजिना चिलवाल हुनुहुन्छ अहिलेसम्म. So looking at the community picture, हैन, so you can guess that हाम्रो community एकदमै large नै छ, हैन, and we all are from the BIBM faculty, के, and it doesn't mean that IT students हरू चाहिँ join गर्न पाउनुहुन्न भन्ने चाहिँ त्यस्तो objections हरू केही नै छैन. If you are really interested, if you want to join our team, you are always welcome to us, है. Now, as every team को अब visions-हरु achieve गर्नको लागि definitely there will be certain objectives, हैन. So हाम्रो community को पनि we have certain objectives which I would like to highlight on, है. So first of all, हाम्रो objectives चाहिँ we want to be a team player, के, किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ to some point or the another we will be working in a diverse group, हैन. So refining our own interpersonal skills at the same time अब diverse group मा कसरी काम गर्ने and to turn ourselves into a team player is one of the major objective of this community. The second objective भनेको चाहिँ we would like to boost our soft skills, के, because अहिलेको age मा like soft skills are the ones which help us to stand out in the market, हैन. So soft skills जस्तै communication, coordination, problem solving हरुलाई चाहिँ we try to boost on कसरी भन्दाखेरि through team discussions or while organizing any kind of events. Last but not the least, our other main objective is to prepare ourselves as a business minded candidates, हैन, for the future so that we can work on with different real life business scenario. र यो चाहिँ हामीले कसरी गरिराछौं भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ by practically implementing the business concept and insight that we learn academically, है. Now अब हाम्रो events हरुको पनि I would like to describe thoroughly. अब हाम्रो यो event चाहिँ like हाम्रो यो community नै यही वर्ष नै हामीले establish गरेको हो नि त, officially inaugurate गरेको पनि यही वर्ष नै हो, हैन. So अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ हाम्रो कम्युनिटीबाट दुईटा इभेन्ट्स चाहिँ अर्गनाइज भएको छ, के. So first of all, हाम्रो कम्युनिटीले स्टार्ट गरेको इभेन्ट भनेको चाहिँ गेम्स थियो, हैन, जहाँ चाहिँ we had an amazing involvement of you guys. अनि it was a successful event पनि म भन्छु, किन भन्दाखेरि because हाम्रो फर्स्ट इभेन्टमै एकदमै धेरै पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरु पनि आउनु भएको थियो, हैन, which we are really grateful for. अनि हाम्रो सेकेन्ड कम्युनिटी चाहिँ like second event चाहिँ कस्तो थियो भन्दाखेरि it was a collaboration with ING को marketing team सँग, के, अनि it was related to poster design र केही sections of graphic design पनि we were able to learn from it. So these were the events that we had initiated. अनि अहिलेसम्म like यो past 2-3 months मा हामीले establish गर्दाखेरि यो दुईटा इभेन्ट्स चाहिँ we were able to organize, है. अनि अझै पनि हाम्रो अपकमिङ प्रोजेक्ट्सहरु पनि we are working on it. अनि like shortly नै हामीले तपाईहरुको सामु like introduce पनि गर्छौं र अपकमिङ प्रोजेक्ट्सहरुको बारेमा पनि let me quickly introduce you all, है. So हाम्रो first event चाहिँ it's think like a CEO. So as you can see from the topic itself, think like a CEO भनेको चाहिँ basically एउटा business community बाट initiate गरेको कारणले we will try to incorporate a business related topics हरु, हैन, जहाँ चाहिँ you will be experiences real hand business scenario र यसले चाहिँ के achieve हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि problem solving skills हरु develop हुने अनि creative thinking skills हरु enhance हुने. At the same time you will be able to empathize yourself as a CEO and work on certain scenario, okay. So I think it will be a very creative program, at the same time interesting पनि हुन्छ होला. Now let me quickly share you about our next event. अनि अर्को upcoming project चाहिँ it's about brand race, है. So brand race भनेको चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि sorry it's mainly अब यो चाहिँ हाम्रो यो लकडाउन कै पिरियडमा जेनेरेट भएको आइडिया, हैन. यसमा चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब अहिलेको सिचुएसनमा मेनी अफ अस माइट बी इन्ट्रेस्टेड इन आर्ट अनि अहिलेको लाइक लेटेस्ट टपिक्सहरू डिजिटल मार्केटिङहरू होइन सो यो इभेन्टबाट चाहिँ यु विल बी एबल टु डेमोन्स्ट्रेट अब मार्केटिङ एबिलिटिजहरू अनि यु विल अल्सो बी एबल टु एक्सपिरियन्स डिजिटल मार्केटिङ फ्रम क्लोजर लुक सो दिस आर लाइक अहिले चाहिँ मैले जस्ट ब्रिफली मात्र भनेको होइन बट once we officially announce this event, we will be like मजाले डिटेलमै thoroughly नै we will be explaining you and sharing you with our different communication channels as well. है Now let me quickly share you about benefits of joining Herald B Score पनि हैन किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ लाइक वी हेभ डिफ्रेन्ट कम्युनिटिज नि त अहिले भर्खरै एआई कम्युनिटी प्लस क्रिएटर्स कम्युनिटीहरूले पनि प्रेजेन्टेसन दिनुभयो होइन अनि हेराल्ड बी स्कोर भनेको त भर्खरै इन्ट्रोड्युस भएको कम्युनिटी त्यही माथि बिआइबिएमको स्टुडेन्ट्सहरू मात्र जोइन हुनुहुन्छ अहिले होइन सो बेनिफिट्सहरू चाहिँ के छ त यो कम्युनिटीमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ फर्स्ट अफ अल लाइक एभ्री कम्युनिटीमा जोइन हुँदाखेरि वी get to learn a lot like आफ्नो strengths weaknessहरू आइडेन्टिफाई गर्ने अपर्च्युनिटी पनि हुन्छ होइन सो वी विल बी एबल टु बिल्ड आवर स्किल्स अनि स्किल्सहरू चाहिँ कस्तो खालको अब एज आई सेड इन द अब्जेक्टिभ्स वी ट्राई टु बुस्ट आवर मेनली द सफ्ट स्किल्स होइन सो हियर बिङ अ पार्ट अफ हेराल्ड बिजको यु विल बी एबल टु डेमोन्स्ट्रेट लाइक टाइम म्यानेजमेन्टको स्किल्सहरू time कसरी properly manage गर्ने because every event we do we are really restricted to time के 2 hours को event छ भने we try to do within 2 hours not exceeding it हैन so being a part of this community what I have learned भन्दाखेरि mainly the skills that we require mainly the soft skills and त्यसै गरी it is also the platform where we can network with so many levels of students के किन भन्दाखेरि लाइक अहिलेसम्म I am also presenting the slides right now होइन so I am also able to connect with so many levels of students be it BIBM को faculty बाट or IT को faculty बाट होइन and this opportunity चाहिँ केले provide गर्यो भन्दाखेरि because of the community itself होइन so these are the benefits of joining Herald B Score. At the same time, it also helps us to build our self-confidence. किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब हाम्रो event, like any event we do, everyone's opinion matter a lot in our community. Okay? And until and unless everyone agrees, we want to be moving to next step. Okay? So त्यही भएर अब आफ्नो opinions, आफ्नो like voice, if you are able to like say to everyone हैन definitely आफ्नो self confidence पनि त build up हुन्छ नि त to some extent अनि once you have the confidence once you have like improvement in your skills your marketability will also be increased हैन at the same time being a part of the community you will also be able to get a well round college experience at the same time so these are some of the benefits that I personally think that is that has benefited me along with all my team members. So let me quickly also share you a short description about our development in the leadership skill through the community. अब हाम्रो कम्युनिटीमा चाहिँ as I have said हैन like everyone opinions matter नि त so what we actually do भन्दाखेरि सबैजनाले आफ्नो ओपिनियन्सहरू राख्दाखेरि डेफिनेटली केयर्सहरू त हुन्छ हैन सो बीइङ अ टिम लिडर सबैजनाको ओपिनियन्सहरू सुन्दाखेरि चाहिँ आई हेभ टु हेभ अ वाइड लेभल अफ पेशेन्स के पेशेन्स भएन भने चाहिँ देयर विल बी मिसअन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ कन्फ्लिक्ट्सहरू हैन प्रब्लम्सहरू क्रिएट हुने र टिम ब्रेक हुने भनेको नि त्यसैकै कारण हो है सो being a part of this community, I think patience develop भएको छ mainly मेरो केसमा हैन and at the same time while organizing any kind of event we try to be very creative and it just not only suits me but every members of our they try to fetch ideas from different sources र एकदम creative ideas हरु ल्याउने र त्यसलाई pull together गर्दाखेरि definitely sharing the ideas पनि हुने भयो नि त हैन so that is the main foundation or base for the team building as well. At the same time, anything if we do wrong, जस्तै मैले कुनै काम गल्ती गरेँ अथवा मेरो टिम मेम्बर्सहरूले कसैले गल्ती गर्नु भएको छ भने we are accountable of our own doings. I think that is the reason how we reflect ourselves via this community. So these are some of the mediums through which we are also able to develop our leadership skills as well. So what do I like to say भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ in short अब हाम्रो vision, हाम्रो like tagline which I've said, turning vision into action, that is only achieved because of the team members that I have shown you already. So if you are really interested, मैले BIBM को students लाई मात्र भनेको हैन, like IT students also, if you are really interested, you can join our team because we honestly believe that together we are invincible. So we also have the empty positions right now related to graphic designer, public relation, event coordinators. So if you are interested, we will be interviewing you and you can join our team. At the same time, हामीसँग connect हुनको लागि we have our different social media handlings as well, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, we are available. And if you have any queries, confusions, you can share your ideas or feedbacks with us via these channels. And we also have our official email address. So that's all for today. I think I'm able to clear some of the questions regarding the community. And if you have any more questions or queries, you can connect with us through these channels or with any of our team members. So thank you for your time. And I really hope that you will be able to connect and network with us via joining our team or by participating in the events that we will launch in our near future. So for the further continuation and without any further ado, I would like to invite our next speaker, that is Neeraj Gautam, and he will be representing Game Hero Dev Corps. So over to you, Neeraj, and thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Gautam and I will be representing our community Game Dev Heroes. So let me share my screen quickly. So I think I'm visible, so I'm going to start. First of all, I would like to welcome everyone to the amazing event. So let's start it. Let's talk about Game Dev Heroes first. Game Dev Heroes भने के हो त है? So Game Dev Heroes भनेको चाहिँ एउटा यस्तो कम्युनिटी हो जसले अब गेम डेभलपमेन्ट सँग रिलेटेड रिसोर्सहरु अनि त्यसपछि त्योसँग रिलेटेड नलेजहरु एउटा कम्युनिटीमा बाँडेर अनि त्योसँग रिलेटेड